ever pondered what the future might hold for artificial intelligence? Are we on the brink of a new era where AI is not just a tool but a companion, a problem solver, and a game changer? By 2050, AI will have evolved to unimaginable heights. So, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the top 10 things AI might be able to do by 2050. Firstly, AI will showcase unimaginable problem-solving skills. With access to vast amounts of data and powerful algorithms, AI systems will tackle complex challenges that were previously considered impossible. Imagine a global crisis like a pandemic. AI systems could analyze vast amounts of data such as medical records, weather patterns, and identify potential solutions in no time.
Let me show you the other project that we have that is related to retinopathy of prematurity. Retinopathy of prematurity is now one of the leading causes of blindness in children.
Okay.
This disease affects very small premature babies that before they wouldn't survive. Now, thanks to improvement in healthcare, thanks to improvements in medicine in general, there's more of these babies surviving, which is great news. But a lot of those babies are not ready to live in the planet yet. The retinas are not completely developed.
Okay.
Once you have a severe case of retinopathy of prematurity, the doctors have very small window, usually 24 hours, where they need to diagnose the disease and they need to do a surgery.
24 hours?
24 hours. If you have a case like that, blindness through ROP is completely preventable. So we've been working with organizations in Mexico, in Colombia, and in Argentina to develop an AI algorithm that will run on a phone. And using this is an ocular lens, and just using a phone, you will be able to use this lens to take a picture of the retina of the child. Then you can have an algorithm that run on that and detect, as good as a doctor, the chances that that child suffer from ROP.
Secondly, our interactions with AI will become much more sophisticated. We'll go beyond chatbots and voice assistants and interact with AI companions that feel like real friends, play games against AI opponents that adapt to our skills, and even receive personalized recommendations for everything from movies to travel destinations. Thirdly, we will live in a hyper-connected world where AI will make connections between data that were previously invisible to us. Every device, from phones to cars to appliances, will be connected to the internet and able to share data. This will allow for a level of coordination and efficiency that was never before possible.
I'm here to talk about the hyper-connected world, the move to the edge. By 2021, 40% of large enterprises are going to use edge computing as part of their projects. But first, what do I mean by the hyper-connected world? The hyper-connected world is where people, information and things are connected together to introduce new services to fundamentally change the way that we live and work and to make the world a safer and better place. We believe that companies that really embrace this will become hyper-connected businesses, and those companies are the companies that will thrive in this digital society. So to be a hyper-connected business, we believe you have to have 7 characteristics. First, you have to have great networks. You need to have network analytics. You need to see what's going on your network. You need to use the latest technologies like network function virtualization. You've got to be able to launch new applications on a multi-cloud strategy to be able to get to market quickly. To help with that, you need to be using things like DevOps, close working between your operational people and your development people, continuous delivery, continuous integration. The fourth characteristic is the Internet of Things. This technology is revolutionizing business. There are over 20 billion things now connected. But there's a lot of legacy technology out there as well, operational technology. And it's really key to be able to integrate that legacy technology in with the modern IT technology to collect all this data. But you've got to do something with that data. So the next characteristic is about analytics and machine learning, being able to interpret that data to make decisions automatically. And then the sixth characteristic is to be able to link all your systems together with APIs and do process automation. So that insight you've gained, you then automatically configure your systems to react to the business. And the last characteristic is transparency. We think a hyper-connected business is a business that wants to understand what is going on in real time and continually optimize their business. So I talked about operational technology. So it's technology called SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, and this is continually collecting data and being enhanced by IoT devices. But now we're talking about artificial intelligence, technologies like our digital annealer. But we believe some of this stuff needs to be processed at the edge rather than transmitting, say, loads of video centrally to the cloud. And that's where edge computing comes in, to be able to deploy algorithms at the edge to make insights on this. So Fujitsu have a product called our Virtual Edge product. This is it's an Intel box that looks like a network box. And on here we run OpenStack, so we can run network function virtualization, service chains of software-defined WANs, firewalls, load balancers. And this also runs OpenStack on there, so we can deploy Windows VMs, we can deploy Linux VMs on there. So downstairs we're demonstrating this technology running CCTV, but with video analytics to detect the age of people that are coming by. So Fujitsu are well equipped to take you on this journey from the cloud-hosted to the cloud-native to the
learning, advanced healthcare, real-time translations, environment preservation, virtual reality, and even AI and governance. To summarize, by 2050, AI will have evolved to become an integral part of every aspect of our lives. It will not only solve complex problems, but also enhance our interactions, connect the world in unseen ways, explore space, transform healthcare, and so much more. The potential for AI in 2050 is vast and exciting, and it's something we should all look forward to. So, as we embark on this journey towards a future dominated by AI, remember, we are not predicting the future, we are enabling it. The potential of AI is not just a distant dream, it's a reality that we are steadily moving towards. And as we move closer to 2050, the line between science fiction and reality will become increasingly blurred.